In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your credit card statements into CSV, Excel 365, or Google Sheets automatically with zero coding involved. This process is incredibly useful for those of you looking to streamline your financial tracking and analysis. So let's dive in and see how effortlessly you can achieve this. First, we need to get started by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, don't worry. It's just like Excel, but in the cloud. Navigate to your Google Drive and create a new Google Sheet. If you're already familiar with this tool, it should be straightforward. This sheet will serve as the landing ground for your credit card statement data once converted. With your Google Sheet open, the next thing you want to do is click on Extensions in the menu bar at the top. This menu provides a range of options to enhance your Google Sheets with additional functionalities. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option named Convert PDF to CSV Excel Sheets. This tool is pivotal for our task today as it facilitates the conversion of your PDF statements into various spreadsheet formats without needing any programming skills. Once you've selected that, click on Open. This will launch the tool and bring up a new interface, specifically designed to handle the conversion process. Here, you'll notice an option to browse files. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt you to select the file you wish to convert. Locate your credit card statement PDF. You want to transform into a usable spreadsheet format and select it. After your file is selected, you'll want to click on the image representing your document within this interface. Clicking on the image confirms your choice and prepares it for processing. Now, the final step in our seamless conversion process is to click on Process Selected Pages. This command initiates the conversion of the selected pages of your document into the chosen format, whether that be CSV, Excel, or Sheets. The tool will gather and process the data efficiently so that all your credit card statement information will be accurately replicated in the spreadsheet. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully converted your credit card statements into a format that is ready to work with. This method not only saves time, but also allows you to manage and analyze your financial data with ease using the power of Google Sheets or Excel. With no coding required, this task becomes accessible to everyone. I hope you find this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.